Which synonym belongs to gist? The correct answer is crux. Which synonym belongs to emetic? The correct answer is vomitive. Which synonym belongs to deplore? The correct answer is bewail. Which synonym belongs to cohabit? The correct answer is have sex. Which synonym belongs to philistine? The correct answer is philistinish. Which synonym belongs to calamity? The correct answer is nakba. Which synonym belongs to bridle? The correct answer is restrain. Which synonym belongs to glossary? The correct answer is clavis. Which synonym belongs to presumption? The correct answer is overhope. Which synonym belongs to icon? The correct answer is idle. Which synonym belongs to tenuous? The correct answer is ethereal. Which synonym belongs to knave? The correct answer is rogue. Which synonym belongs to fervor? The correct answer is fire in the belly. Which synonym belongs to subversive? The correct answer is revolutionist. Which synonym belongs to disparity? The correct answer is unlikeness. Which synonym belongs to blunt? The correct answer is uncivil. Which synonym belongs to indulge? The correct answer is spoil. Which synonym belongs to quiescent? The correct answer is tranquil. Which synonym belongs to defrock? The correct answer is unfrock. Which synonym belongs to battalion? The correct answer is horde.